let's take a look at the whole component. First, let's take a look at the Oars anchor kit. This kit is supplied in the box like this. You can sterilize the box with autoclave before use. When you open the box by sliding the cover, the kit contains one big screw handle, two long shafts that can be used like this, and very small screw handle that will be used for the insertion of the screws in the palatal side of the maxilla. But for palatal side use, I strongly recommend it to use motor-driven handpiece or e-driver. I will explain more details about it later. And there are two drills that will be used for pilot drilling. When you use small diameter mini screws less than 1.2 millimeters, the recommended diameter of pilot drill is about 70% those of the diameter of mini screws that will be used. For example, 1 millimeter for 1.2 millimeter screws. Now I will show how to join the long shaft to the manual driver handle. First, insert the shaft into the handle while pushing back the secure ring to release the chuck, and let the ring come forward to fasten the shaft securely. Then it's done. Now the shaft securely tightened and ready to use. Next, let's take a look at the screws. This is Ostem Oars anchor. It was pre-packed like this, and also it was pre-sterilized, so further sterilization is not necessary. And it is very convenient and easy to use. After tearing off the outside cover pack, take out the plastic wrapped screw inside. Remove the cap on top. Then you can see the head of the screw. With the driver shaft, just simply apply the general force to combine them until the head of the screw is secured to the shaft. It's now all ready to use.